All right, hello everyone. Let's get into the question. Refractive index of rectangular block ABCD made of glass is N1. It is placed inside water of refractive index N2 as shown in the figure. An incident ray falls on the surface AB. Maximum value of incident angle alpha max that the light ray can emerge only from face CD. Right, we are given 5 answers. We need to find the correct one, alpha max. Right, to do this question we need a few equations. So let's get into the equations we need here. The first equation we need, Snell's law equation, N2 over N1 equals sin I over sin R. So here the incident ray, this is the ray, start from N1 medium goes to N2 medium. So second medium divided by first medium, N2 N1 equals sin I over sin R. And the other equation we need is critical angle, N2 N1 equals sin C. This is the critical angle. Right, let's get into the question now. So their condition is the ray cannot go through AD surface, it will go through only CD surface. That means from AD surface the ray will undergo total internal reflection. Right, here they are asking us to find a maximum angle. So let's get into the question here now. Alpha max. So if this is maximum, the refracted angle here R value will be maximum, because now we know from the equation N2 over N1 equals sin I over sin R. So if I increases, R increases. Right, then if alpha is maximum, the R value also a maximum value. Then if we complete this triangle here, it's 90. So C, this angle is 90 minus R. So if R is maximum, then you can see C is the minimum value. C is this angle here. If this minimum angle is equal to the critical angle, then if this is the critical angle, that means the ray will go along AD surface. That means for other angles it will always go through total internal reflection, because the maximum angle, it's a critical angle. That means if this alpha is lesser than this value, that means this is smaller value, this is higher, so it will undergo total internal reflection for other angles. Right, now in that, so to find this alpha max we have to start from here, from C critical angle. Right, now let's apply critical angle equation. Hope to remember the equation. N2 over N1 equals sin C. Right, from this equation, N2 is the second medium, so this is the second medium. Water they have taken as second medium, and yes, glass first medium. So this is the second medium, this is the second medium, and this is the first medium. So N2 over N1 correct equals sin C, and C equals sin inverse N2 over N1. So when we are looking at the answers, you can see there are sine inverse values. So we hope we are on the right track. Right, then this R value, R means 90 minus, yeah, C equals 90 minus R, C equals 90 minus R, that then R equals, yes, 90 minus C. Right, we have this value. So again we have to apply, yes, Snell's law here. So let's apply that. Right, sine, again N2 N1 equals sine I over sine R. Here this is the first medium. Now water is the first medium and glass is the second medium now. So this is N1, still this is N2. So remember that. Here we have to put the second medium, it's glass now. So N1 over N2 This is the second medium, this is the first medium. Now remember that, equals sine I means sine alpha, sine R here, right, sine R. So they're asking us to find alpha value. Let's get sine alpha equals sine R. So now alpha equals sine inverse sine R into n1 over n2. So knowing that, let's simplify it furthermore. So here sine inverse sine R n1 over n2 equals alpha. So R, hope you remember, R is 90 minus C. So here n2 over n1 over n2 again. That's an equation you should know. Here sine 90 minus theta equals cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equals sine theta, right? Knowing that, sine 90 minus theta, so we can write it as cos C into n1 over n2. Here again we have sine inverse, right? So C we have found it earlier, so it's cos, we have found it here, C equals sine inverse n2 over n1, n2 over n1, remember that, C equals sine inverse n2 over n1, right? C equals bracket sine inverse n2 over n1, that the whole thing multiplied by n1 n2, the whole thing again sine inverse. Complicated answer, so let's check the answers then. Right here, so here the second answer sine n1 over n2, n1 over n2 is here now, so cos sine inverse n2 over n1, so this is the answer. Second one is the answer. Maybe it's quite difficult to get the answer properly for you even if you follow the guide, so go through the guide again, you would understand it properly.